Welcome to qnawire.
So now we'll work on problem 36 from chapter 20. In this problem, we're asked about a voltaic cell that uses the reaction palladium chloride 2- plus cadmium makes palladium 4 chlorine ions and a cadmium cation. So the question here is asking us, the first part of this question, is to write the two half reactions. So we can do this by splitting the palladium and cadmium reactions separately. So first we can write the reduction reaction. We have palladium Cl4 minus 2- plus 2 electrons will give us palladium and 4 chlorines. And the second one is simply just the cadmium metal will react to produce the cadmium 2+ cation and 2 electrons. So in part B of this problem, we're asked to use the data from Appendix E and determine E reduction for the reaction involving palladium. Now we're told in the problem that the the energy or the potential of the cell is equal to 1.03 volts. Now from the Appendix E, we don't have this reaction. This reaction here we do not see in Appendix E, but we do have this reaction. So we know that the reduction will go first. So we have the reduction at the cathode, and then we'll subtract the value of this reaction, which is negative 0.40. And so then we can solve for the value of the cathode or the palladium reaction, the potential, and we get 1.03 minus plus 0.40, which is equal to 1.43 volts. So that's the potential for this. So we actually are not solving for the solution here. We're solving for the cathode. And so when we're solving for the cathode, that means we have the positive and positive here, or the negative here will make the positive. We'll make the positive here. But since we're going to subtract it from 1.03, negative is correct. And so the value for this reaction is 0.63 volts. The last part of this problem asks us to draw the cell. So we can go ahead and put this in here. We have 2 beakers. We have a solution in each. We have a salt bridge. We have our electrodes here, our voltmeter. So over here we can put our cathode. This will be our palladium cathode. And on the left we can put our cadmium, which is an anode. And we have cadmium 2+ in here, and palladium chloride here. And the last thing that it asks us to do is indicate the flow of electrons. So the flow of electrons will be from anode to cathode. So we have electrons going this way.